Hello everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. So today I want to talk about regarding English language, how much it is important in our day-to-day life. It is very essential, do you know? Without knowing it, people are facing a lot of problems in their day-to-day life. They are having problem in their life. Do you know? Because of not knowing, not speaking, they think that it's very hard and very difficult. But I will tell you, it is not that much difficult as you think. It is not that much hard as you feel it. You can start whatever you are doing. It will help you. Without speaking, one cannot learn. As we know that a child before speaking he listens. He many times listens same words, same sentences. Afterwards, he starts speaking. So, before speaking, you have to listen many times in English, any stories, any subtitles that can help you. So, you have to watch many stories and any other things. You whether you understand or not, that doesn't matter. If you don't understand, don't worry. If you are not understanding, then also you listen just. Listen once, twice, thrice. Like that many times you have to listen. And by listening, you will slowly understand. After understanding, you can speak. Without speaking, no one can learn because it needs practice. Practice is very important rather than perfection. So before perfection, you have to start speaking. You have to practice. Just keep start. Unless you keep start speaking, you would never learn. It is very easy. It's very simple because it is a language. So language is to means of communication. Language is to means of communication. For communication, it's important. It requires. In the world, many people are knowing. In the all over the world, English is spoken. So for understanding, for job, it's important. So you try, guys. You need to try. You have to speak. You have to communicate. It's very simple. It is very easy. Before speaking, I was also not knowing. I had struggled a lot. I was unable to make single sentences. I was thinking if I will know proper grammar, then I will start speaking. But things what happened? I was not able to speak. Why? I was thinking if I make mistakes, if I do wrong, people will laugh at me. That's why I had not started to speak. But when I thought that, when I knew it, unless I start speaking, I can't improve my speaking skills. So I started and I am able to speak. I'm not telling that I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I have been started to talk. That's why I'm able to talk with anyone. I can communicate with anywhere without hesitate, without any fear. So many people afraid of it that if I make mistakes, what would happen? Mistakes will happen, but we not to be worried about that. We should not worry about it. Mistakes will happen. Without mistakes, How we'll learn? We'll do mistake. Beginners makes mistakes. So that's what. Don't worry about mistake. Just start speaking, start practicing continuously. Do it every day, and that will help you to speak. That will help you to improve. So there are many people those are doing and they are started speaking and they are able to speak. They are good in English and they are able to communicate, and they can understand what whenever other people speaks. So you can also do the same things. So before perfection comes speaking, just listen. First you listen again and again, and just try to use it in your own sentence, and you will learn slowly. You will improve, you will develop, you will know the English language, and you can also start. Unless you start, you will not able to communicate. So I encourage you. I just want to advise you. Just don't let. As much you will do late, that much you will learn later. So it's time to start. It's time to begin. Begin your journey, and you will slowly you will learn. You will improve. You will able to communicate with anyone. So don't worry, don't afraid about mistakes. It happens. It is the part of life. So